Craving for some heavenly feeling of satisfaction? Join us on a visual journey of the most satisfying food industry machines. Make sure to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss an update. Also, tell us later in the comments below which is your favorite. Sit tight and experience the world where satisfaction meets perfection. Rushing for cake orders? This machine perfectly puts the icing on the cake. Is it summer already? Check out how these fruity and cold ice cream popsicles were made. Pepperoni and bacon can be produced in bulk with just one slice. What a sweet treat! Take a look at this machine making Zart's candies. Sandwich filling and spreading were made easier using this machine. Want to know how your favorite breakfast is made? Check this hot dog making machine out. Cupcakes, mousses, mini pies, macaroons, and other small pastries can be produced by this machine. Look how fast this machine can slice and organize these cheese slices with equal thickness. From being a colorless liquid to these delightful and colorful candies, this machine is fantastic. This delicious French pastry can be made perfectly with this unifiller equipment. We can't deny that the tortilla chips produced by this machine are perfectly crafted. Watching this candy puller machine is such an eye candy. Ever wonder how these sweet and short messages got inside these cookies? This factory fills up to 700,000 Tabasco bottles every day. Watch these fluffy marshmallows get twisted and cut by this machine. Look how fast this machine is in slicing this long salami. Time for a barbecue party and cook different dishes using this Grillaco rotating charcoal grill. Not only automatically cracking those eggs, but this machine can also identify bad eggs through ultraviolet. Did you expect placing a lid on canned beers to be this satisfying? This machine can be set to cut Gouda cheese in slices with the same weights. How can this machine handle and pack these eggs without a single crack on them? This machine is designed to create sandwiches or burgers like these tasty pancakes with filling. Look at those cute little buns popping out from this multi-bread forming machine. This ice cream rotary filling machine is a complete package machine that fills, caps, and seals ice creams. Ready your slices of bread for the smooth, creamy, and freshly made butter. Not just kids, but even adults are fascinated by this giant rainbow cotton candy. Get your bowls and let's slurp those curly noodles from Korean instant ramen. After flawless slicing, this machine neatly lays the processed meat to be packaged. An octopus dish can be fit in this jar by just getting twisted by this machine. The capacity of this machine is up to 1,000 burritos forming in an hour. Look at how this machine cut, coat, and package these sweet and crunchy treats. This organic applesauce production is perfect to relax and calm our minds. This highly flexible machine can do cutting specifications using advanced computer programming. Pumping of whipped cream will be efficient using this easy depositing and weight-accurate machine. This machine is not only capable of filling ice cream containers, but also of creating artistic designs on cakes. Look at those gyoza wrappers getting easily filled with a meaty filling. Different cookie shapes were created and cut by this automatic cookie machine. Different types of cakes can be sliced equally using this automated round cake slicing machine. Meats were filled and rolled automatically with this automatic spring rolls machine. This robot will save you from getting arm cramps in slicing shawarma meats. Curved or ring sausages can be processed in this automated line solution. This easy-to-use machine can cut watermelons into equal sizes in just one move. Be stunned by this machine for satisfyingly creating prime quality pasta. From the forming of dough bands to making O-shaped donuts, this machine is impressive. Just watching this automatic tempering machine for chocolates will make you drool. This semi-automatic peeling machine can peel 14 to 36 fruits per minute. Cream filling and batter were continuously spread on the sponge cake before they were rolled. Look how smooth the carrots are after getting peeled by this machine. Geva SC250MA is a high-speed slicer that is capable of slicing 250 cuts per minute. Watching this clip will make you crave for ice cream sandwich. And there you have it. The most satisfying food industry machines. Did they make you hungry? Comment down below what impressed you the most. If you find this entertaining, support us by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and ringing the notification bell. Stay tuned for more and take care.